Okay, so here's a circle theorem question that requires the intersecting chord theorem. So the intersecting chord theorem says that in a circle, if we have got two chords which intersect, okay, let's call this part A, this part B, this part C, and this part D. So in the intersecting chord theorem, A times B is equal to C times D. Right, now how is this useful in this question? Well, if we look at this and we see one chord here, okay, if I extend this across, I've got two intersecting chords. So that means that 7 times 4 is equal to 2 times, and let's call this thing that we don't know, y. So that means 7 times 4, which is 28, equals 2y. So 14 equals y. Okay, now if we know that y is equal to 14, that means the diameter is equal to 14 plus 2. So the diameter is 16, which means the radius is equal to 8. Okay, now we'll use the other version of the intersecting chord theorem. So same thing, I've got a circle, and if I have got a chord that finishes outside the circle, and they meet at a point. Now this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. And in this version, B outside the circle times B plus A, which is the length of the total line, is equal to C, the part outside the circle, times C plus D, the length of the whole line. Now let's use that version. So what we're going to do is we're going to extend this line so that it looks like our second version of the intersecting chord theorem. Right, now we know what the radius is. The radius was 8. So this is 8 and this is 8. So we have the part outside, which is 5, times the whole length of this line, which is 16. And that's equal to the part that's outside, which is x, times the length of the whole line, which is x plus 16. So 5 times 16 is 80, times x squared plus 16x. Well, we've got a quadratic, so let's make it equal to 0. So x squared plus 16x minus 80 equals 0. So now all we have to do is solve our quadratic. So we've got 1x squared, I've got 16x's, and I've got minus 80. So x is equal to 4 or minus 20. But as this is a length, we know that a length can't be negative. So x equals 4.